If you have tasks cluttering up your Google Calendar and you want to clean things up fast, this video is going to show you exactly how to remove Google Calendar tasks in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful trick, whether you're deleting an old task, clearing out a finished reminder, or just organizing your calendar so it stays easy to manage. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Google Calendar tips and simple how-to guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser or in the app if you're using your phone or tablet. Once Calendar loads, look through your schedule and find the task that you want to remove. If you have a lot of items on the screen, you may need to scroll through your dates or switch views until you spot the correct task. When you find it, click the task to open its details. This step is important because it lets you make sure you're deleting the right item before anything is removed. Inside the task details window, look for the delete button, usually shown with a trash can icon. Click delete to remove the task from your calendar. In some cases, Google Calendar may ask you to confirm the deletion before the task is fully removed. If that confirmation appears, just click confirm or delete again to finish the process. And that's it. Your Google Calendar task is now deleted. It's a quick and easy way to keep your calendar organized and free of old items you no longer need. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and check out more calendar tutorials for beginners and everyday users.